Good morning, everybody. Hello. How's everybody doing? Welcome, welcome. Angia, hello, good morning. Welcome. MSUFO, welcome. Hello there. Loving Nature Guy, welcome. Funded Subham, hello. Just a quantitative to tapping. Let's see. Made a pin bar. Oh, nice. Andy, hello. Üdvözöllek, jó reggelt, szép napot. Brannis, hello. Yanix, welcome back. Content Hunter in the flesh. Smokey the Sucker Dad, aka Ollie. Hello, good evening. Curry Fishbowl. Good morning, Angia. Thank you, thank you. Naomi's here. Hello, Naomi. What's up? Good to see you. How's it going? I am in a short position, by the way. And so it's not looking all that good, but currently I'm holding a short position. Kind of hoping that it will go lower. Actually, to be honest, I'm already in a drawdown on this particular account. Oh, nice. We just hit the TP. So I was already in a drawdown on this account by almost $200. So I just made it back. So, Celso, hello, good morning, good morning. Thank you. I wish to you the same. You miss me. I miss everybody, especially the regulars, the new viewers, of course, but it's always good to see the regular names. Vittorio, good morning from Brazil. Did you? No, unfortunately, they haven't responded to my email, but I'm guessing that they are having... Actually, I sent them 2 emails now. I sent them a follow-up email too. I think they're having lots of emails, and there's only, I think, as far as I know, there's only one person who is handling the partnerships section there. So I don't know. No information yet, unfortunately. Dave Mack, good morning. Got the first of the 2 evals passed. Let's go. Left on it. Had about $50 left on the other, but took a loss. A little more work to do. Single micro magic. Oh, all right. Thank you, Dave. Amazing, amazing. Keep us posted. Frequency, hello. Jose Might, hello there, good morning. No Luck Pure Skill, welcome back. Let's go. Trading Gamey, hello from India. Mick, hello, what's up? Mick GRH, welcome. And Rohan Trades is here, welcome. It's so good to see everybody. Hit the likes, everyone. Let's smash the likes. Oh my gosh, I guess I was a little bit lucky on this trade, to be honest. I was a little bit lucky on this one because look at this reversal. Wow. What a reversal. It actually didn't go down to so there was a on the 15-second chart, by the way, there was a demand zone lower here. All right. And I was like, might be going lower. Actually, the demand zone did not get hit down there. So that's at 35.50. So anything is possible at this point, I guess. But we're going to go over some levels real quick. Hello, hello. Oh my gosh, Asia price action was so weird. Yeah, what about this drop here? Look at that. Just went down 120 points. Niket, hello. Gabor, good morning. You would have get. Was trading NQ back to 709 long. So you're looking for longs around 700. That's not a bad plan, actually. Farhad, welcome back. So good to see you, Farhad. How's it going? How do you identify demand zones? Oh yeah, Eric. Let me help you out with that. I actually made this a video. It's about a 30-minute video where I explain everything in detail the way I'm actually seeing it. Hold on, let me just copy the link here. So it would be a little bit difficult to explain everything here in a few minutes, but here's a video and I explain everything there. So, you know, check it out. It's not the best edit, Eric. It's not the best edit, but hopefully it's not. I mean, hopefully it's somewhat understandable. But I will release a much better edit from that. Good afternoon, Licketh. Hello. Or good morning. 689 will get taken after we clear those right around there. Let's see. Yeah. I'm actually expecting price to drop a little bit lower, but you know, the thing is, there's a fair value gap on the 5-minute chart here. Look at that. Now, what makes it special is that price already tried to tag this level at 775 up there. And I'm just wondering if it wants to go up there again. It seems like it wants to. Look at that. I think it wants to go. It's just a few points. Could be spiking there for liquidity. And what happens after is the great question, right? Tom, I again today caught 79 points short. Let's go. Horizon is entering trades based on 30 seconds. It might be the beginner's luck, but what you had suggest for me to what would you suggest? Well, you know, Rohan, use proper risk management. That's always the key. If you feel like you're onto something, like you see something that you like to, you know, continue to use as a trading setup or as levels, or, you know, like I would say that continue to work on that, but please use proper risk management. So have a trade cap, not just by the number of trades, but, you know, P&L wise as well. Okay. So you can continue, but obviously also get ready that losing streak is always around the corner. Always. It's always going to be there. The big question is, how are you going to handle that losing streak, right? So, you know. Obviously, just get ready to handle some losses anytime. That's why, you know, proper risk management. So why not continue? Obviously, you can continue, but please use proper risk management and trade cap as well. Okay. Quite interesting. You know, part of me wants to go short a little bit just to take out that 35.50, but we are very close to that 5-minute gap up there. So, you know, Licketh is long biased. Let's see. We should clear some bias at first. Yeah, we could see that. Oh, look at that. I wonder if this one wants to go lower. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Part of me wants to take a short here, but I'm not sure. The fact that there is a fair value gap down there, I don't know. I took a very small short position on my other account. Let me switch. A very, very small short position. It's only an evaluation account. A little bit aggressive, I know. I should be waiting for for the 5-minute level to get tagged. But, you know, I can't even begin to express how helpful doing these evals with 1 mega has been. Has been maybe, oh my gosh, Dave, that is amazing. That is so great to hear that. Absolutely awesome. Thank you for sharing that. That is super awesome. Yeah, risk management trade cap. You know, if you might have a losing streak, like 3-4 trades in a loss, like in a row, losses in a row, then, you know, it might be a good idea to step away at least from that particular account. You know, that would be my helpful. Instead, I tried to catch short 90 points on NQ on your session. Don't worry about it. Look, I'm sure that you will catch some great trades there. So, Randall is here. Hello, Randall. Hey, what's up? What is up, Randall? Okay, so I'm actually prepared for the market to go up there to that 5-minute gap, but currently I'm just trying to see if that level down there at 36 is gonna get tagged. Actually, I could be looking for 35. Yeah, 36.50 is good. I can go down to 35.75 there. That's also good. 44th X Punisher, 80 of their name. Hello. Libor, hey. Greetings from the Czech Republic. Hello. Thanks for joining. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Trade 1 contract on Eval is maybe 2. It's 4 hours per point. That's a lot of... yeah, exactly. Exactly. Exactly, Randall. Gotta pass your evals. Ah, only got like 13 trading days left. Oh, that's plenty of days, by the way. Look at that's, you know, you have plenty of days there. Only high probability trades. I trade recent 20% of drawdown on evaluation. That's, you know, that's the plan. You know, go with the plan. That's actually a really good plan. I like it. That's a really, really good plan. Oh, Angia, sorry, no giveaway today, but there will be giveaway this week. All right, we'll do some giveaway. I'm gonna come back with some details. Well, for the next stream, most likely. Sim just breached. Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry, X-Punisher. Oh my gosh. Sorry, that sucks, I know. Polar Monkey, hello. Like the live, thank you. The weather is a little bit cloudy and sunny. You know, 1 minute it's sunny, the other minute it's a little bit cloudy. I think we're expecting some rain here soon. Yeah, it's you know, almost a little bit gray, but right now in this second there's a bit of a sunshine. So most of my days are break even or no trades. Oh, I see. Oh, you know, everybody has those days. It is, you know, it's just in the cards. There's nothing to do about it, right? Thank you so much, Angia. Thank you, thank you. Better pack it in because your losing streak may be here. Yeah. It could happen. Well, so far, on the other account, I mean, oh yeah, one bad news, everybody. I lost a take profit trader test account yesterday because I was over trading in the PM session. And so I had 2 take profit trader accounts. I'm going to get one more, but like now I'm focusing on the other accounts. I'm not that, I mean, I will get more take profit trader accounts. Unfortunately, I blew up one evaluation account. So currently, some of these accounts are here. I made the profit earlier on this trade day account. Currently, this evaluation is the one that I'm trading only. And I logged into my Bulenox account, so I try to get some more fundeds here. The Apex. Oh yeah, I got so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Apex funded accounts, and the funded futures network accounts are also there as fun. I have 2 fundeds, but I can't log in at the same time because only one Rhythmic connection is allowed. And the Lucid accounts are also, so I have quite a few new accounts here. So this take profit trader account is almost at funded stage. And currently this is the only one that I have the trade on. But yeah. NQ analysis. Yeah, let's go over some analysis here. All right. So to be honest, and for some of you guys who were not here yesterday, I talked about this. I lost quite a few funded accounts and evals in the last couple of weeks. To be honest with you guys, I am on a losing streak overall in the big picture. I have some good trades and I'm very happy. I actually, you know what? I'm having some good trades, really good trades every now and then. But I tend to mess up the process with one bad tilt session. So everything is just, you know, I don't know. I'm definitely having some issues there that I need to work on. So I needed to restart some accounts with some prop firms because the first 2 months of the year, especially the last few weeks, were pretty rough. To be honest, very difficult. Okay, so NQ analysis. Okay, so on the 15-minute, by the way, there is a 15-minute demand zone down there, which is starting at here at 679.50 on the micro. What is exhibition and funded futures? Exhibition is basically the buffer account. That's the account where you build up your buffer. So we have a 1 minute, sorry guys, let me just really quickly finish up with the analysis. We have a 1 minute supply zone up there at 866. If the market is shifting, I'm going to be looking for buys above the midnight level, most likely above the VWAP. So once we get into this area to the VWAP above midnight, I will be looking for buys. Until then, I'm going to stay bearish, and final boss should be down there in that 15-minute demand zone. That's what I think about NQ right now. There's nothing on the 5 or the 15-minute, you know, so we'll see. Oh, silver looks fantastic. I'm not gonna trade silver for sure, but yeah, look at that. Okay, silver is moving nicely, right? Oh my gosh, look at that. Actually, okay, so I was expecting this. Hopefully this fair value gap, this is why my stop loss is right above this gap. Unfortunately, I'm gonna get taken out. So I was hoping that this is gonna reject the price and we might go lower. In this case, it seems like this is gonna be a stop loss. Again, if it keeps going higher, I'm going to be waiting for some sort of a structure. There you go, I'm got taken out. I'm waiting for some sort of a structure here. So for example, it goes up here, builds some structure, and then maybe If it goes up there, gonna be looking for a fair value gap to go long. And otherwise, you know, if this would shift, like, oops, sorry, if it would shift lower, then maybe, you know, looking for a fair value gap somewhere down here. These are the two scenarios currently. One hour demand zone. Oh, I was short from around 560-ish. Check gold. Yeah. Oh yeah, gold is going down as well. A little bit. Let's see how far. Okay. Okay, so on gold, there is actually a demand zone as well on the 5-minute. Look at that. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's valid. It's a bit of a crazy zone, but 5,008.5. It could go lower. Asia low, Asia low. This would be Asia low, I think, on gold. Down there at 49.98.4. I think that would be Asia low, in my opinion. But yeah, nothing there. And we have a 5-minute supply zone as well up there. So that's a supply zone. 5-minute supply zone. Yeah. Kind of cool. We have some levels there. Lucky coin, hello. EP not hit by a tick or two. See it. So against Ninja Trader only key. Ah. Well, I know there could be some hotkeys set up, and actually there are some really good scripts for Ninja Trader. Here come the buy side. Yeah, so there's one more level here on the 5-minute at 794. I'm finding myself after finding profit daily. It made me realize how much of an addict I am. Well, everybody is an addict in a certain way, right? To trading. Was there a question from Loving Nature guy? I'm sorry, I didn't see that. Hold on, hold on. I just need to check on something real quick. All right, sorry, I'm here. I was just reading some messages. Let's smash the like button, everybody. And by the way, I'm still a little bit like tempted to jump into a short. But it would be great to invert this gap here. That's the thing. So let's see if we can get it. No Luck Pure Skill taking a short. Goron, hello. Neolucky, hello there. Welcome back. We need a mini video on setting up your keyboard. Oh, okay. I think I heard about him. I think he is like using AlgoBox, I think. Is that the guy with the AlgoBox? I think that's who he is. He's the AlgoBox trader. Oil is going down. He is robbing. Wait for oil to resume up for shorting. Yeah, maybe that would be the wise decision. Oh, nice. Cool keyboard. Oh, the fast is going great, Roblox. I'm doing a lot of fasting, to be honest. Use the keyboard. Okay. All right, X-Punisher, thank you for being here. Have a good sleep. Rest up, buddy. Sleep is important. Yeah, I'm doing really great with the fasting so far. So, yeah. Yeah, because NQ is fast. That is true. So I'm ready to go short as well, but not here currently. I feel like price is just trying to move higher here. We'll see how far. I definitely lost some weight. So yesterday I did, by the way. Yesterday, I'm still... So I'm already fasting for 19 hours right now. You guys don't see it, but... You guys don't see it. Anyway. I'm fasting for 19 hours already today. Almost 20 hours currently since I'm fasting. And... Hold on. Overall, total fast is 140 hours. Longest fast was 26 hours. Total fasting days 6, fast streak 9. So 144 hours I did fasting. Hey, don't worry about it, Bryce. Things are gonna change. I'm sure about that. So Corsair K57 RGB wireless gaming keyboard. Thank you, MSUFO. Corsair. Here it is. Here's the keyboard, right? Look at this. This is the keyboard to go with. The problem is it has too many LED lights. I don't like it. I mean, I do like the keyboard, but I don't like these lights. I guess it can be turned off, right? And I want a keyboard that's not making a single sound. So I need a keyboard that is absolutely quiet. It's not, you know, making any sound at all, and it's not having lights on. That's the type of keyboard I'm looking for. You're fasting also. Let's go, Mirovsky. Yeah, it works, by the way, Angia. It really works. I like it. I actually, you know, and by the way, you know, the most interesting thing is about fasting is that I'm feeling more and more energized. My body is getting used to it, and I'm not so like, I'm not like, oh my gosh, I have no energy, I'm gonna, you know, fall apart or something. I'm actually okay. I'm absolutely okay. Oh yeah, I do that too, by the way, Ongi. I eat once a day, and I do like around 20 hours of fasts. And in that so I have a 4-hour window, and in that 4-hour window, I try to keep everything below 15 or 1600 calories, and of course, relatively less carbs, no sugar, and mostly healthy food like vegetables, eggs, stuff like that. So, you know. What kind of fast I'm doing? I sometimes, I mean, I did the 16/8 intermediate fasting, but now I switched to 20/4. The longest fast I did 30 days, Randall. 30 days. Oh my gosh, 30 days. Jesus. 18 hours per day during the Ramadan. Let's go, Kamal. 3 days left. Amazing, Kamal, amazing. Fasting is anti-aging. Yeah. So the biggest surprise for me is that I'm not actually tired. Guys, I'm not tired. So I'm doing these average 20 hours of fasts every day, and then I keep myself in a 4-hour eating window. And I'm like, wow, I'm absolutely, I have energy, guys. I really have energy, and I don't feel like, oh my God, I'm gonna, you know, just faint or something. Nothing like that. And I'm eating, I'm drinking less coffee as well. Obviously, I'm not, when I drink coffee, I don't use sugar or sweetener, just black coffee. But I'm not even drinking coffee because I'm energized. I mean, I drink, but definitely way less than before. You're in ketosis too, or just fasting? One more stop hunt. Let's see. I'm not ready to go long yet. Actually, I'm still kind of waiting for possible shorts here. So yeah, I will be waiting for short opportunities here. Yeah, thank you, Naomi. Thank you. I'm actually very proud of myself too. Like, I didn't know that I could do this because I'm fasting since last week, Monday. I'm fasting like technically every day. I had a bit of a longer eating window over the weekend, but I'm like doing 18 and 20 hours of intermediate fasting every single day. And I eat once a day. But the fact is, no matter how much I eat, I won't gain weight. And one day I was thinking, human doesn't need to eat much, actually. Yeah. You love rice. I love rice too. Down 10K during Asia, back up around. Oh, nice. Good recovery, Roblox. It was amazing for 30 days, Rendell. Oh my gosh. As you can keep without surge, how can you keep up your mind? You drink a lot of water. And by the way, if you drink coffee without sweetener or sugar, coffee actually helps to reduce the hunger. and you can drink tea. So no sweetener, no sugar, no nothing, just drink tea. And you know what I did, guys? On the day I did the 26-hour fast, I was licking some salt, and I did that a couple of times. When I was feeling like, maybe I need something more, I was licking some salt. So I put some salt in my hand. I was licking some salt because of the electrolytes. And I was like, wow, actually I felt the difference. Like, I'm sorry, it's kind of weird, but licking some salt actually gave me some quote unquote energy, actually. Really. Mr. GC trend up. Oh, wow. Yeah, so there's a 5-minute supply zone there. You maybe can catch that. It's 5,040.4. Yeah, Tim. I don't drink alcohol only when, like, I'm not never, but like on birthdays or Christmas holidays or something, when the family gets together, I tend to drink a glass of wine or something, but that's it. Please do not exaggerate it. Fasting can make you lose muscle. I know. So Mick, yeah, I know about that, and this is my only concern, is that my friend works in the gym, and he's very much into this, and he keeps telling me every day, like, Tom, you are going to lose your muscle that you're working for here in the gym. And he told me that what I'm doing, he's actually, he agrees that fasting is good, but he keeps telling me that I'm going to lose muscle because this is too aggressive what I'm doing. So he told me that I should be drinking protein shakes throughout the day. I mean, when I have my eating window, to protect my muscle. I need to eat food with lots of protein, or at least drink protein shakes in the eating window, because fasting is going to destroy my muscles. That's what he's told me. I mean, I want meal lunch because I don't know. And have them three boiled eggs, and sometimes I don't eat it all. Wow, curry fishbowl. Thank you for the info there. Couscous, yeah, I know that. Usually don't feel hungry at night, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for the drop now, by the way. I'm looking for the drop too. I'm looking for that drop too. I just don't know which level to wait for. Maybe I should be waiting for, like, there's 65. Yeah, one more strong displacement, and maybe I will jump in. You can fast on alcohol base. Yeah. Celtic salt, Celtic sea salt, or pink Himalayan. Table salt is junk. Yeah, I know. You can't take black coffee with one oil. It won't break the fast. It makes you full and also helps with ketosis. Wow. Whey protein. Yeah. I need that. That's wrong. Data shows growth hormone increase and you do not lose muscle. Yeah, so this is actually nickname, last name. The thing is, I'm having a bit of an argument and a debate with this friend of mine. I mean, not like a serious debate, but he keeps telling me that, Tom, you are doing bad because, yeah, fasting is good, but only just a little bit of fasting, because if I fast all the time, I'm going to lose all my muscle. And I'm doing harm to my body if I'm losing a lot of muscle with fasting. And so he keeps telling me that I need to drink a lot of protein shake. Like, you know, I don't know. He actually made a bet that I'm going to lose my muscle with the fasting. But I don't know. I'm a little bit confused now. This is a 15-second, but on the right side, this is the 3-minute chart. Now I switched to the 5-minute. The 15-second, I'm just keep watching it for possible levels here. But yeah, it just keeps going Just keeps going. I have no, you know, long position or anything here, or no intention right now to go long, but it does seem like that this drop could be completely repriced. Now we're at the VWAP. Interesting. Daryl, hello there, welcome. Hey everybody, let's all smash the likes. Let me just all right. Just a quick question. Let me see. Oh, we are having 69 likes already. 31 to go. 31. Let's go for it. London Open and pre-market open is about to happen in 18 minutes. OMAD fasting schedule last 3 years, 20 and 4. Yeah, that's the kind of fasting I'm doing. The OMAD fasting style is the one that I'm going with as well. If you do prolonged fast, you will lose muscle. Yeah, so I was watching a video which is saying you should not be losing muscle if you do intermediate fasting, which means every day you will obviously eat healthy food, some protein, and you know, if you keep up with that, you should not be losing muscle. And so that's what I'm looking for. Okay, look at this. Are we gonna have some are we gonna have a shift here, or what's happening? All right, jumped into a short. I'm actually looking to add one more to this. $65. This would be my TP there. Okay, 2 is good. I'm willing to add one more micro if it goes higher. Yeah, one more micro, it's okay. I'm adding one more micro if goes higher. Let's say, for example, there. That would be good. Are you on creatine too? Take creatine, it will help maintain muscle and you also make stronger during workout. Yeah, I mean, I'm not on creatine, but I heard about that creatine helps the muscle. That's when you make shock on your body. Yeah, I know that fasting actually is keeping the body in a shock because it, you know, the fat goes before the muscle. Yeah, that's what actually I was reading in the, I mean, I was watching in the videos. Talking 24, 36 hour fasting, no problem. Yeah. You're long. You will lose muscle. You should train your muscle for protect your muscle and take 2 gym anyway. Yeah, so I definitely need to drink more protein shake, you know. Fast every day and have one happy protein rich meal, and during fasting they do some physical work, able to retain muscle mass. Nice. Yeah, Mick. So I do need to eat protein-rich food, and I need to train my muscles as well because, yeah, need to be careful. Exactly, Tony. That's true. It all comes down to how much calories you take a day. Good morning, Marco. Welcome. No, muscle will go before fat without protein and train your muscle. Yeah, so I need to train my muscle. I need to drink protein shake. I know that. I love how a lot of traders are also gym goers. Actually, going to the gym does help a lot with the discipline, by the way. It definitely helps a lot with the discipline. It's definitely, it comes hand in hand, you know. Hey, thank you, Bryce. Don't worry about it. It could retrace. I agree. I mean, it could go, look at that. It could go back there, which is fine. And this is why I added one more micro to the trade. I mean, I will add one more micro once it goes up to 98. Chicken, turkey, salmon have big protein, low fat, low calories. Yeah, did you know there is more protein in green peas? Oh, I didn't know that, by the way. I didn't know that. That's new info. The one made. So when you eat soup to add ingredient pleskovica. Ah, I love pleskovica, yeah. Yeah. We are all health experts. Yeah. I'm just trying to keep it simple. I go to the gym. I go with intermediate fasting. I try to eat healthy. What could go wrong, right? What could go wrong? But yeah, so people around me here are already told me that they see that I lost weight on my face. I actually lost like almost 14 kilograms. So they told me it's visible on my face. And also in the videos I saw that the fat first goes down from the face and everywhere else, and the last place where fat goes away is from your stomach, unfortunately. Hey, thank you, Mark. Hello. Yeah, let's take something away from the market here. I'm kind of hoping that it will not go too much higher. As I said, I'm willing to add one more micro to this, but you know, if it's not doing it, then you know, we'll see. Yeah, I'm feeling much better. Red meat is complete protein. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, and from the shoulders. Yeah, I'm in a short position. But I have no stop loss on this trade. So what you see here is a sell limit order because I want to add one more micro to the trade. If it goes higher, I'm willing to add one more to it. But, you know, actually, I'm going to add, let's see, my stop loss should be up there. So if this one order gets triggered, I'm just going to add one more micro to the TP. But yeah. Polyfat stored in back around the, oh yeah, exactly. Loving nature guy. What's the benefit of using creatine is that it helps in muscle regeneration and hydration. Now that's good to know. I wish I would have added more to this position, by the way. What I can do also is leave a runner. How about that? Should I leave a runner? I can do that. 65.25. I'm gonna leave a runner. And one more down there at 38. That's how it's gonna look like. So I'm leaving a runner for down there. You lost 40 pounds since December 1st, going to keto, low carb diet and intermediate. Wow. Markman, congratulations. Good job. That is an excellent job there. Or by watching you trade and earns less. Yeah, he might. Who knows? You know how it is. We are at 79 likes, everybody. 21 more to go. Just 21 more to go. Let's get it. 21 more to go. I know we can get it. I don't know. This is just a regular VWAP. I think it's at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard yesterday. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Partial TP taken. All right. Modifying the trade here. Let's manage the risk properly. I'm taking off this one and this one. Leaving one micro. And 87.50 is going to stay here. Actually, I'm going to put it there. So this is a free trade now. Took a partial, and I'm kind of waiting for the drop down to 738. Yeah. So we'll see. Does your mouth get very dry and more sensitive to cold? I didn't really notice that nickname, last name. Targeting 684. Let's go. Smash the like. That green trace. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Apex still has limit on gold. I think they do. I think they do, best DJ. I really hope that they will do something about it. Hit the likes every. Let's see how we are doing with the likes so far. 11 more likes to go. Let's go. 11 more. Rumors are going on Apex. Is Apex? Apex is good. Actually, Apex released. Did you guys see the videos that got released from Apex? Finally, by the way, finally they addressed it. Finally, I'm actually very, very happy that they released those videos. The numbers there are actually telling a lot, by the way. Hold on. Hold on.
Sim farming.
Sim farming. That was one. Where's the other one? I know I received an email. Second video is more important.
So let's talk about an interesting but
Okay, so this is like really interesting. Look at some numbers here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it. Not really, right? Not really. So in this video, oops, sorry. In this video, it is saying like there's a person here, or trader, sorry, who got $128,000 of payout with $128,000 in payout with 2,800 PA accounts and with 12,810 evaluation accounts. So again, let that sink in. $128,000 of withdrawal, 12,000 evaluation accounts, and 2,800 PA accounts, right? So there are some crazy numbers that they shared here, absolutely crazy numbers. And you know what? I think Apex absolutely did the right thing. Absolutely did the, oh, it's 2, sorry, it's 2. My buy stop is 2, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, my mistake, my mistake. Sorry, thank you, my buy stop was wrong. Yeah. So look at these crazy numbers. Let me just expand it. I can't expand it. Anyway, absolutely crazy numbers. How much, for example, this guy here spent 13,000 evaluation accounts, 1,800 PAs, and 0 payouts. 0. This one, $400,000 of payouts, almost 2,000 PA accounts, and 7,300 evaluation accounts. Look at that. I think that they released these statistics and the video, they should have done it much earlier. I think finally Apex is, you know, clearing the stage and explains what the heck is going on here. So finally they did it. There's so many numbers here, like you guys can't imagine. I'm not looking at anyone's. This is just the video that they released. So yeah, the thing about Apex, I think they should have done this 2 years ago. 2 years ago, they should have done this. So in my opinion, and I don't care. Yeah, you can say I'm an affiliate. Yeah, I am, but I'm definitely I can say that I'm not. I'm just a small affiliate for Apex, but like they should have done this. I think every prop firm, not just Apex, every prop firm should come out of the woods and clarify this. Like, guys, this is the reality. This is how you can make this and this amount of money. Anyway, well, let's leave it at that. I don't want to jump into it because I don't want to put myself in the middle of this. I'm not on that list. On the Flex account, I'm not sure. Maybe for new, for new customers, I think there's a welcome bonus still. Otherwise, existing customers can still have, I think, $7 maybe. I'm not sure. Okay, this half of the position might gonna get stopped out, but hey, we took partial, so we did good. There you go. So we did good. Here's the London Open. Oops, London Open. Let's see how far we go from here. You know, we can still go lower, by the way, despite this drop. Yes, this is the short answer. Yes, Apex, I feel it's absolutely, now they final conclusion, now finally Apex is making the safety precautions that needed to be done 2 years ago. So I always felt safe with them, but yeah. No giveaway today, Aniket, sorry. Oh, wow, Jimmy, thank you for sharing that. London session is like, you know, the problem right now is that the daylight shift already happened in the US, and Europe is going to shift on the 29th of April. April and March, so the end of the month. So this means right now there's only a 5 hour of difference between the East Coast and European time. So the thing is, London session, like usually when there's a 6 hour difference, it's like from 2 a.m. until 5, but right now it's usually from like 3 a.m. to, I don't know, 5, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard. Actually, the London session haven't really shifted, so I would say it's just narrowed down to like 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's it. Guys, I'm looking to re-enter to a short here, by the way. Yeah, sorry, the link to the video. There are actually 2 videos, by the way. If you guys would like to watch these 2 videos, I can paste it to you. So there is one. This is 1. And this is 2. So there are 2 parts of this. If you guys want to check it out, you can. And, you know, I suggest you guys should watch the video, like not just, you know, scrolling into it. Please give yourself some time and watch it until the end, both videos, and you will understand. It's crazy to say, because I know some of you guys don't like Apex, but you will understand that they are actually right. How they wanted to get rid of the bad actors and what the numbers are telling. You will agree, I think, in the big picture, you will agree that what those individuals, quote unquote individuals, were doing with those PA accounts are not really trading, okay? But, you know, just saying. Money is money. That's true. That's true. I'm just talking about what is trading or what is prop firm gaming. That's the real question about these 2 videos. Like, is this trading? Is that trading? Or is that prop firm gaming? You know? And obviously Apex is making money just like other prop firms from the failed accounts. Now, if they see this happening, obviously they are doing some things to prevent that. That guy called FSP does the same thing. Good morning. I don't know who that is. Poco, hello there, by the way. Spot a game, props don't like it when you win. That I know. So prop firms are not charity. But obviously, so if I would be a prop firm owner, it doesn't really matter. I mean, whatever prop firm. If I would be a prop firm CEO or owner, I would also do what I can to filter out those bad actors who are exploiting the system and trying to squeeze out money in, let's just say, unorthodox methods or ways, right? And I would do that. I'm not trying to say like, oh, prop firm and Apex, and no, I'm not saying that. But they have their business model, and if I would be a prop firm owner, I would also agree like, yeah, let's get rid of those, you know, bad actors, and that's it. And that's why, you know, having a payout cap, which many prop firms have a payout cap, and then they move those people to live, actually a really good idea. That's just my personal opinion. You know, you want a sustainable prop firm to work with. So you all need to understand two things as well. One, prop firms are in business to make money, and two, yeah, that's true. Oh my gosh, I want to enter so bad. Just a second, guys. I want to enter so badly on this trade again. I really want to enter so badly on this trade. All right. I re-entered. I don't even have a stop loss, sorry. But I was like, let's see if we go lower. All right, I don't like this push here, but we'll see. I'm not using level 2 data, Tony. Yeah, I understand. Drops Homestead. To buy at 698. 698 would be a great area to go down to. I do like that. So if this trade would go lower, I maybe would add to the position. FOMO is real. Maybe a little bit, maybe. A little bit. That's so much fun with spot yesterday at the end of the stream. Nice. He's at TRADEIFY TV, I think, right? Sam the Man, hello. Have you bought Terry's trendline? Tori's trendline course? I haven't bought it yet. I don't know. Maybe I will. Good morning, ID. Hello there. Let me check how we are doing. We are at 119 likes, everybody. Thank you so much for the likes. Downside levels 764. I really hope it will drop lower. Good morning, good morning. Don't waste my money. I mean, it's not cheap. It's $6,500, I think, for the trendline course. The big boys don't. Randall, I'm really sorry, by the way. I do have to apologize, by the way, beforehand. I might gonna lose some viewers and subs, but I'm already working on a course about my supply and demand zone strategy. Guys, I'm putting food on the table from affiliate marketing, from trading, from digital marketing, from YouTube ad revenue. I'm not going to ask $6,500, but I am preparing a very, very, very detailed and definitely something that is bringing value. If somebody wants to know all the details and everything what I've learned so far about these supply and demand levels and how to use it, there is a course in the making, by the way. So yes, I'm going to be one of those guys out there in social media who are also selling something. I consider it digital marketing, but this is my main income here online. So trading is, payouts from trading is one income. Digital marketing, affiliate marketing, ad revenue is other income sources. But it's not going to be $6,500. It's going to be definitely somewhere around or less than an evaluation account price. Okay. So, but it's definitely something that helps me to grow, to get bigger and be stable here online. That's it. You know. Yeah, I know, Randall, please. Please don't be angry at me. So, but it's not going to be expensive, I can tell you that. I don't know the price yet, but what I can tell you, it's going to be even less than an average evaluation account, okay? But in exchange, you will get a lot of stuff. I don't even want to tease, like I will give a lot of value, not just videos and education, but even more. And you know, I want it to be a win-win situation, and no guarantees, of course. I can never guarantee anything, but I will put my soul into that explanation. All right. I will put my soul, I will put all my experience into this course. And I really hope that you guys will like it, because, you know, I said to myself, I need to bring value, and I want to bring value and give value to you guys. But $6,500 obviously for a course is, let's just say, like, I think it's insane, by the way. It's absolutely insane. But anyway, $6,495. Okay, that's cheaper. Oh, the website, the website is a little bit old. I'm sorry, Loving Nature guy. The website is a little bit old. It's also getting revamped. I just got the domain name TOMSABO.com, by the way. So for now, there's nothing there yet. So until now, TOMSABO.biz. Frodo, thank you for joining. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. So the TOMSABO.com domain was occupied. It was taken for years, and just recently I managed to acquire the TOMSABO.com domain, so everything is going to get revamped soon, refurbished, so it will be good. It will be great. It's actually ready, by the way, Sam Demand. It's actually ready. There are some final edits that needs to be done, and there was 4 hours of content, so I needed to narrow it down to less than 90 minutes. And actually, I might need to narrow it down. I don't want to, like, I don't want to be like ICT or whatever, like bring down like 20 hours of content, but I think it should be good with like around 90 minutes. It's going to be broke up to segments, so it's for better understanding. And overall it should be maybe less, like about 1 hour to 90 minutes. So we're working on the final edit here, but I don't want to leave out details, because all I can tell you is that it's going to contain some details, and which are actually going to be crucial to understand, to try to understand higher probability setups, lower probability setups, regarding these zones and levels. And I really want to explain everything in detail. So as I said, it was almost 4 hours of recording, and we're already narrowed it down to 90 minutes. And you know, I tried to put everything there that is crucial, but you know, but there will be lots more. In 100 for the knowledge Tom can impact it. Yeah, I mean, I just want to come out with the reasonable price, and obviously the most important thing is, like, we are all, including myself, we are all spending quite a bit of money on evaluation accounts at all these different prop firms and activation fees. So I think, like, instead of spending money for one more evaluation account, why not learn? I mean, there's lots of information on YouTube for free, that's for sure. This is why in this course, this is going to be the way I see it, but it's not guaranteed that you guys are going to be successful with it. But it's like it's a fair value. it's a fair value for that information. And I'm promising you guys that I can take one promise here, that I'm putting everything there what I can to explain everything in the smallest details that you need to know about how I'm using these levels. And anyway, let's move on. Tor needs the money to pay back her Ferrari. She has a Ferrari. Thank you so much, Sam. It will be simple, but I need to explain more things in context. That's why it cannot be just a 10-minute video, obviously. I need to explain context around it. And categorizing the zones, by the way, there's going to be a section where there's going to be categories, higher, lower probability zones, categories, like which comes first, how to decide which one to go for, and all these stuffs. She bought a Ferrari. Wow. Hey, Demetri, thank you. It is so again, no promises that it's going to make you, like, it's going to change your life. But what I'm hoping from this is that it will give you a wider perspective of the market. It will help you to see, like Neo in the Matrix started to see the code rolling down. I just hope that that effect is going to happen to you as well. And finally, you will see how the market is reacting to these levels. And once you understand, the rest is up to you. Obviously, I will show examples of different type of entries and risk managements, but it's up to you how you want to use these levels in your trading, right? So this is definitely not the holy grail that is going to, but it will help you to see the market in a different way, I think. Anyway, what is happening with this market though? I don't know what's happening here. Limit yourself monthly. How many new evals you get? Yeah. Also, like, limiting yourself to a certain number of evals can actually help a lot, by the way. That can actually help a lot. They said Tori Trades is a sham. Her uncle makes all her trades and her Ferrari is her friends. It's clickbait. She doesn't seem like a clickbait personality. Thank you, Loving Nature Guy. I mean, she doesn't really like, to me, I mean, I'm not following Tori that closely. I mean, I know who she is, but she doesn't struck me as someone like a clickbait or a fraud or anything. Obviously, what I don't really line up with is that $6,500 for a trendline course is a little bit insane. I think that is like if you ask somebody to pay you $6,500, that's a lot of responsibility, by the way. That is responsibility, because for some people that's a huge amount of money, and I would feel a lot of responsibility for that particular individual who purchased my course. Like, what if that person is not going to be successful with those trend lines? I don't know. $6,500 would be a hard. It would be a bit of a stress and a burden to go with that. You know, knowing the fact that that person might even come back at me and saying like, oh, this is like BS, I didn't learn anything, whatever. And I feel like, $6,500. Again, let me say this. I have no issue, because I'm not following her. I don't know. I'm just, the only thing I'm saying is that 6,500 is a little bit too much. She's a fraud, Randall is saying. Doesn't know it yet. It is screwed up, but doesn't know it yet. Oh. She's genuine, but just out of her depth. She presents well, so people fall for it. Oh, Vakela, no giveaway today, but I will try to do a giveaway tomorrow or Thursday. All right, sorry, Vakela, but I will work on it. $99 probably. It's not just for the course. It's actually, oh, it's a mentorship. Okay, I didn't know that. It's also for a mentorship. Okay. Guys, do you guys want me to be super honest, like how I'm doing this year? How I'm doing financially this year? I did much better last year, by the way. So let me tell you, do you guys want me to be, I don't want to, take it or leave it, I don't know. I mean, I'm not here to pull up my bank statement or anything, but okay, so I told you guys yesterday that this year was a very rough start for me. January, February, and especially the last couple of weeks, I lost funded accounts, evals, and it's not because the market, it's not because this, by the way, it's not because the zones were not working. They were working. It was only me by oversizing. Okay. So I spent $3,600 this year on evaluation accounts in January and February, and a bit this month as well, a little bit. So $3,600 on evaluation accounts. And I only made nearly $4,000 in trading payouts. So practically I'm break even this year in the first 2 months, almost 3 months now. Practically I'm at break even. And last year was the same situation, but I then made it to $69,000 in payouts from trading. So last year I also started the year very rough, January, February, and then things started to become much better by summer. So I feel some like the same pattern is happening. And just to tell you the truth, the affiliate money is drying up a little bit. Not because, oh my gosh, please don't take this the wrong way. Obviously, the trading space between streamers is getting more saturated. Everybody is pushing the codes and the affiliate promotions. So I'm making definitely about 50% less money from affiliate commissions than I did last year. I'm going to tell you exactly. Last month I made in February $7,000 from affiliate commissions. Moment of silence. $7,000 from affiliate commissions. All right? Again, $7,000. Now, $7,000 I have to pay tax, which is about 30%, leaves me with $4,900. I have to pay rent and utility bills and everything, which is about, well, $1,500. I have a loan I'm paying, and obviously I spend money on, I don't know, this and that, you know, family expenses, stuff like that. Anyway, so this is the rough estimate of the money that I'm left with after taxes, after rent, after everything, and I'm saving up money. Obviously, I'm not spending it all. I'm saving up as much as possible. But like, without the affiliate money, guys, last month, for example, without the affiliate money, it would have been definitely more difficult. Now, obviously, I earn a little bit of money. I cannot tell you how much from, for example, MyFundedTV as well. I have an NDA, so I can't share that. But obviously, I know I can make it to. I'm paying tax from that income as well, and like I'm just trying to say that the trading payouts currently at this moment of the year are a very small, tiny portion of the equation, and I want to change that. I really want to change it. I swear to God and on my soul, I really want to change that. I want to make the trading payouts take the lead. And then the affiliate money, I would not be depending on affiliate money or being a co-host or, you know. But anyway, I just wanted to say this, like some streamers, and I'm not even reading the chat currently. Some streamers who I'm not gonna name, who are not so much bigger than me. Actually, there are some who are smaller following, are making double and triple amount of affiliate commission. I don't want to say names. Who are they? Believe it, take it, or don't take it. Some streamers, even smaller streamers, are making triple amount of affiliate money than I'm making. I don't know, maybe because I'm in Europe, I'm not sure, but it is what it is. Or maybe I'm not streaming enough in the New York session, I don't know. But I'm just saying it's so saturated and everybody has an absolutely different journey here. It's just hard to compare. But so guys, this is the truth. This is how I operate. This is YouTube, exactly like YouTube and everything. The whole package is like an income, multiple income streams, right? In my currency, that's about 2 million Hungarian forints, 2.5 million Hungarian forints. Taxman is, yeah, I'm paying my taxes, by the way. I'm a self-employed, so I'm paying tax. No problem with that. So there's messages. Always user. Hey, thank you so much, Roblox. Thank you. Move to Africa. I just watched Apex movies. They got turned, but yeah, Michal, I think they are 100% right. So in those videos, I think Apex is 100% right. So I need Rocket Scooter. Yeah. There is plenty of scammers. Example that I don't know who that is. How much you earn is your business and no one should be getting into your pocket. What really matters is how you create engaging. Yeah, so thank you for saying that, ID. So the thing is, guys, be that as it may, if I'm on a losing streak or a winning streak, I really hope that some of these trades are meaningful to you guys, that we talk about levels, we talk about market analysis and how the market is moving, what we are expecting, you know, we're exchanging information. But I love to do this, and it's the whole package which enables me to do this. Like, it all comes together in one whole piece as being a streamer, affiliate marketer, trader. I love doing this, and there's only one thing at the end of the day. If I can give a bit of a value to you guys, and of course if I can entertain a little bit, that's all that matters, you know. End of day drawdown, no payout denials, no file risk reward, reliable scaling. Yeah, so very simple rules, by the way, Sagor. So simple rules there. Yeah, exactly. That scooter guy is unbearable. I mean, Matt is great, but I don't know. I'm not following him closely, so he obviously has his unique trading system. I'm not following his method closely, so you know. I'm very happy that I can work with him and the other hosts at MyFundedFutures. I'm really happy for the opportunity, and because I'm not following how he trades, I don't even want to judge anyone. You know, I think Ash was saying it yesterday with FWXEUXCV, and I love that quote. Like, when the money comes into your bank account, it doesn't matter. The bank doesn't care what strategy or method were you using to make that money. So when the money lands on your bank account, the bank never going to ask you what strategy were you using, what levels were you using to make that profit. Nobody cares. At the end, it's money. Move your stop up and secure some profit. I want to believe that this one is going to drop. I need to leave some wiggle room to this. But one thing I can do is I can move the stop a little bit lower, and I'm going to secure, I'm going to lower my risk here. So I just lowered my risk on this trade. I mean, I don't work with him, like, not particularly, because he's at the end of the segment and I'm at the beginning of the show. So quote unquote, we work together on the stream, but like I said, I'm not following closely. So you heard it yesterday. Let's go. Our job at the end of the day as traders is to extract money from the market. Exactly. Extract money from the market as it was built to take from. Exactly. Scooter guy is obnoxious. Again, I don't want to comment anything on that. That's it. I missed when his segment was after yours. Oh yeah, I remember. I had really good talks with him. I think he's cool. I'm not following his trading method again. I don't know. But he was helpful with the team, and he's providing lots of information. So that's it. No, I'm not commenting. Not because of that nickname, last name. I'm not saying no comment because I have no negative feeling or anything, because I don't know how Matt is teaching. I don't know his method. I know he's definitely up there. He's one of the top streamers and affiliates in the trading space, and I'm respecting that, by the way. I have respect for that. I just don't know the details, and even if I would know more, I mean, I don't think it's my thing to comment on. It's not just Matt. Any other streamer. I never commented on any other streamer, by the way. In this stream, yeah, maybe we talked about some funny stuff about Patrick Wieland or whatever, but I never said anything, not even a negative comment. Actually, there was one guy, but let's just leave it at that. But I never really, not that I have to comment anything negative on anyone, so I never did. It's just not, you know, I'm staying in my lane, and that's it. I'm staying in my lane, and nothing more. I'm just happy that we have a nice little island here. Peaceful, no drama, nice people like you guys. Everybody's great here. I'm very grateful for that. So let it drop to 37, everybody. I'm not hating ICT. Okay, I got to admit, sometimes it was, I'm not, guys, I'm not hating. I'm not, for example, I'm the type of person, I don't hate anyone in my personal life as well. So I never hate anyone, not to mention I'm not hating anyone in social media as well. Sometimes when ICT comes up with some, let's just say, narcissistic posts, it kind of triggers me a little bit, like, okay, I understand, because, you know, but, and sometimes I do like to troll. And I always told you guys, like, I have huge respect for his lectures because I learned a lot. But, like, you know. All right, putting it to break even. Maybe I should close a micro here, right? All right, close the micro. I closed one micro just to, you know, play it safe. There. If you don't like it, just don't watch him. I'm not watching him. I mean, sorry, I mean, two things. I never said I don't like him. I think Matt is cool. And I'm not watching him because I'm super busy with everything else. So. Did you set solid goals for your trading results? Yeah, my goal is to get above 100K in payouts, at least in trading payouts. Yeah, for example. Also, one of the goals is to spend at least maximum half money on evaluation accounts, as I spent last year. What is going on with this market, really? Yeah, I took a partial on this, and a little bit disappointing to see this spike up, but hey, thank you, Simple Peter. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. Means a lot. They're talking about you. Oh. Guys, don't worry about Matt, all right? Let's just leave that topic as it is. He's cool. Everybody just, you know. Obviously, everybody can have their opinion. What is going on with this market? 10 more points and I'm out from this trade. Less bit of preference raise that. Less bit of minimum profit. Need $80 to secure a payout. Oh my gosh. Split striker. Be careful there. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Almost that. Look at that. Actually, it spiked higher. Okay, almost out. And I'm out. I took partials though. I took a partial down there, but wow. Interesting. Interesting. You know, the funny thing is wow, what a move here. What a move. What a move. 50 points of a push. And what else is there? You know what the funny thing? I still think that it might just gonna go lower later. Maybe not now, but later. I don't know. But obviously we have the 1 minute supply zone up there. It might gonna close higher than the view. Do we have some news hitting the market? Nothing. Oh, Matt Cobart. Rocket Scooter Matt. Reverse. Short targets did hit 765. Yeah, we went down there. And that was a nice call there, MSUFO. Don't worry about it, Dominic. Nothing is going on. Dominic, everything is absolutely normal. Thank you so much for the likes, everyone. $21 order got trapped and used as a pain. Ah, I see. I don't know what this candle was, guys. I mean, everything was going nicely and smoothly. Almost hit my final TP, but all of a sudden this happened. This came out of nowhere because, like, you know, totally unexpected. Wow. Totally unexpected. Cappuccino mochaccino trader. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I am going... Not even joining... Oh, you're not joining my friends' streams. I see. Everybody, I'm going to call it here. I'm not taking more trades. And, you know, I just hope that we're getting soon to the March 29. So I have more time to do everything, like the London session. I have to go to the gym, and the early New York sessions are going to start as well. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. If you would like to support the channel, you know, there's still some great discounts going on. Unfortunately, Take Profit Trader cut off my affiliate code and there's no response yet from them. I'm really disappointed, but there's still some sales going on with MyFundedFutures. The code is up there. You can see it in the banner. It gives you the best available discount. For Bulenox is down 89%. I checked the code now. It's valid. 89% off of Bulenox. Apex is still on a sale. I think 80 or 85%. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one for free promo, 40% off, no activation fee. So get it if you liked. Daily payouts with Trade Day, Lucid Trading, and TRADEIFY as well. Instant accounts, if you will. So check them out. I do appreciate the support with the affiliate commissions. You guys helping me to to be here full time, so do appreciate. Thank you. Does Bulenox ever have discounts on the PA accounts? No, nothing. Nothing on the fee. I'm sorry. The activation fee is always the same, unfortunately. So thank you again. What can I say? God bless you all, and thanks again. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Cheers, everybody. God bless.